Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix slow response issues in Claude AI in 2026. So if Claude is taking too long to reply or feels stuck while generating answers, this guide will help you speed things up step by step. First, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable internet is one of the main reasons Claude responds late or struggles to generate outputs. Next, refresh the page. So sometimes the session gets stuck, and a simple reload can immediately fix slow response issues. If your browser or PC is overloaded, Claude may slow down. I mean, close unnecessary tabs, background apps, or heavy downloads to free up resources. Make sure you're using a modern browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Outdated browsers can cause slow or delayed responses. One effective fix is clearing cache and cookies. Old stored data can slow down performance and affect how quickly Claude responds. If your prompt is too long or complex, Claude may take longer to respond. So try breaking large requests into smaller, simpler steps. Sometimes servers get busy. Using Claude during off-peak hours can improve response speed and reduce delays. And that's how to fix Claude AI slow response issues in 2026. Usually checking your internet, clearing cache, and simplifying prompts can speed things up a lot. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more AI troubleshooting tutorials and tips. Hey everyone!